Alex and Commander Karim's forces have destroyed General Barkov's forward operations base, temporarily limiting Russian air capability in Urzikstan. We need to move fast. Sergeant Garrick, thanks to your intel, we tracked the Al-Qatala cell responsible for the Piccadilly attack to a townhouse in North London. 3 SAS teams will get inside and connect the dots. If the Wolf is in possession of the stolen Russian gas in Urzikstan, we need to find him. Be advised, there may be non-combatants on target. Check your shots. Targets are up, boys. Let's kick this off. Bravo 6, moving on the rear garden.
Bravo 6, this is Alpha 2, about to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6, moving interior.
Get the kettle on.
Play it.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust.
Take the front row.
You know it. But this operation failed, so why
It
are we
did
doing
not
this?
fail. Your dead brothers made sure of that.
We were
Trouble.
supposed to have double...
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entering through the front door.
Bravo 6, moving to the first floor. Target behind the door.
X-ray down.
Two X-rays down.
Copy.
Make sure this floor's secure.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6, moving to the second floor.
Answer the door!
Flash out from 2-6. Roger.
Wait!
Secure this floor.
Floor secure.
Rally at the stairs.
Hang in there, mate. I got you.
Bravo 6, taking the third floor.
I will not betray the wolf. Let me go.
Take your shots.
Hands up! Now! Secure him! Secure.
Last floor. Take point, Sergeant.
Locked.
I've got it. Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill
Don't
me!
move!
They
Stop!
locked me in here!
Drop her.
Clear.
All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your ass. We've got a location on the wolf.
The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Varus forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.